When it comes to acne or pimples, our mothers and grandmothers' first choice is neem. Whether it is a spot treatment or to stop the bacterial development on the skin, our mothers always used neem. Here's how one can use neem in different variation. Neem is such a versatile ingredient that can be used in so many different ways. Depending upon your skin type, skin issues, skin concerns and skin problems, neem can be used in so many ways. Today's video is all about neem, so let's get started to see the awesome recipes. Starting off with the basic neem face pack for acne/pimples. This face pack not only reduces acne but also improves the skin texture. You know, I've seen people with skin textures and I asked them what has led to their skin texture, and most of them said that it's because of their pimple or acne that they had years back. Severe acne do affects the skin texture. To clear the skin texture and also to stop the growth of acne, take a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of neem powder, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, I know most people are allergic to lemon juice. If you are one of them, do not use lemon juice in your face pack. Instead, you can use like lemon peel powder, even that works great. Add 1 teaspoon of rose water. Mix the ingredients until well combined. Apply it all over your face. Leave it for 20 minutes. Wash off with cool water. This face pack reduces existing acne and makes sure new one do not come. This is best suited for people with oily skin. If you have got skin texture because of the pimples and acne that you had previously, then this face pack is something suited for you guys. For all of you those who have dry skin yet dealing with acne and pimples, even tiny little bumps on your forehead, cheeks and chin, then this one is for you. Add 1 teaspoon of neem powder. Add 2 teaspoons of curd. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix the ingredients until well combined. Apply this all over your face and leave it for 20 minutes. Wash off with cool water. This is something specifically made for dry skin people because honey and curd are moisturizing ingredients. If your mom is dealing with acne or boils on her face, then make her use this face pack or send this video, share this video to her WhatsApp number and let her use this one. Add 1 teaspoon of neem powder. Add 1 teaspoon of licorice powder. Licorice powder treats skin dryness and reduces wrinkles and other signs of skin aging. It also keeps the skin hydrated, which leads to a more plump and tighter looking appearance. Add some milk to make a paste. Apply it all over the face. Wait for 20 minutes and wash off with cool water. One of the most important benefits of neem, other than antibacterial, is that it has anti-aging properties. It treats uneven skin tone, lightens scars and delays the signs of aging. Teenage acne is worse. During our teenage time, we don't have that much of a confidence and not really sure what to put on our face. And eventually it disturbs our mental and physical health as well. If you don't treat it at the right point, it will result in skin textures in the future. For that, add 1 teaspoon of neem powder, add 2 teaspoons of rose water and mix well. Apply this all over your face, leave it for 20 minutes and wash off with cool water. This will arrest the bacterial growth and prevents the acne from coming back again and again. So these are my 4 variations of using neem in your everyday skincare routine. I have made these 4 variations with the ingredients that is already available in our kitchen. So these are my variations. However, if you have your variations of using neem on your face, then do let me know that in the comment section below. Maybe I'll try that in my next video. Whatever products I have mentioned in this video, I'll put the link in the description box. Purplle Shaadi Sale is starting from 27th of October to 5th of November. If you are lucky, you can even get buy 2 get 2 free products from the app's goodness. Sale starts from 27th October till 5th of November. Do check my description for links and more details. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me, Deepti, signing off. Bye bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.